So today I want to show you how to tape a corner. Throw away this guy. We're gonna use this bad boy, the fast way. Super fast. All we do is just run it up inside here. It's like 10 times faster than using the trowel. We're just gonna cut off our paper, nice and straight. Just fold it in half. I'm gonna use a trowel just to smooch it in the corner here. Now that I set up my paper, I'm just gonna remove the adhesive model now. When I finish that side, I go over here. So you see I use my finger here just so that I can feather it out as I go. Just want to have a small amount of mortar over to cover my paper. I'm going to start from the bottom up. Now I'm going to put my finger at this end here so that way I can feather here. So I'm just going to go up. I'm going to start from here, work my way down. I'm going to start from the bottom, work my way up. Now I'm going to put my finger over here to feather the outside. Just go thin down. So here's my corner tool. You want to wet it in the water. Wet it in the water so that way it runs more smoother. I'm going to use my finger right in the middle here just so that way I can control it. So we're just gonna go up in the corner, a little bit of tension here. Come down just like you see I'm doing here. I'm gonna stop here and then I'm gonna start from the bottom up. I'm just gonna go back over it, feather out the end. Yeah, and that's how it looks. I'm gonna have it dry, and afterwards we're gonna go back over it with another coat. Follow for more.